I think this is a big mistake. So you see, I'm and awakening this. Wait, let me see what I need. Oh, I'm stuck. Help me! Help! I'm stuck. Oh. Oh, we can just jump? One magma? Oh my god. And I don't have any. So, the Acro Dagger grinds begin and oh my god, I don't have any fruit anymore. So, I will rely on my gems to give me some good fruits because this my platinum I wanna get to get 1 2 3 4 5 epic. So wish me luck and gold 1 2 gold nothing. Okay, wait, still stuck. Oh, wait. Yo. Oh my god, bad. Really strong. Because where's bro at? Mama big boy. What's bro saying? So I'm gonna get some gems. See you in the next video. Man.